Golden milk, a beverage that can change your life. The main ingredient in is turmeric, a spice that's famous worldwide thanks to its many beneficial health properties. The recipe of this powerful beverage may vary as long as turmeric paste remains the main ingredient. It can be prepared with cow's milk or plant-based milk, according to the tastes of each individual. The most important thing to know is that gold milk is very healthy and has countless benefits for your whole body. What are the benefits of golden milk? The active ingredient in golden milk is turmeric, which is rich in nutrients and a variety of other healthy properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, polyphenols that can perform over 150 therapeutic functions, in addition to having antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. The effects of curcumin are similar to those of cortisone, but with the added advantage that curcumin doesn't produce any adverse side effects. Turmeric is also well known as a natural antibiotic, able to prevent infections, improve circulation, and loosen mucus. It's especially recommended for people who suffer from constant colds, congestion, fatigue, and more. This beverage can help fight disease and other health problems associated with arthritis and osteoarthritis, as well as other joint and muscle aches. It acts as an analgesic to reduce headaches and other ailments that are brought on by stress. Drinking golden milk can even reverse the onset of Alzheimer's disease as the symptoms develop. It could also prevent cognitive impairment that is often associated with old age. Other important benefits to remember. It has antioxidant, antiseptic, and analgesic benefits. It strengthens the immune system and helps prevent disease. It naturally fights cancer. It helps control cholesterol levels and prevents arteries from becoming blocked. It's good for your digestive health. It helps purify and detox the liver. It regulates the metabolism and contributes to weight loss. It can reduce high blood pressure. It's ideal for promoting good brain health and memory. It helps clear up any skin problems. It can help with neurological disorders. It lowers triglyceride levels. This recipe also calls on the benefits of pepper, which contains an active ingredient known as piperin that facilitates the absorption of other active ingredients, especially the curcumin and turmeric. Golden milk can be consumed as a beauty aid because it's relaxing, invigorating, and helps prevent premature aging. It's especially recommended for having healthy hair because it prevents hair loss, fights dandruff, and eases irritation of the scalp. In addition to all of the above, you can consume it before you go to bed to promote more restful sleep. How do you make golden milk? There are 2 basic steps to the preparation of golden milk, and you'll end up with a delicious beverage that has countless health benefits. Step 1. Prepare the turmeric paste. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of ground turmeric, 30 grams. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2. 5 grams. 1/2 cup of filtered water, 125 milliliters. Directions: add all ingredients to a small saucepan and heat gently, stirring well until they're well incorporated. Be sure to stir often until you get a thick paste. Then allow this mixture to cool, pour it into a jar, and store it in the refrigerator. Step 2. Prepare the golden milk. Ingredients: 1 cup of almond milk, 250 milliliters. You can also make it with soy or coconut milk. Cow's milk is only an option if you're not lactose intolerant. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 5 milliliters. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric paste, 25 grams. Honey. Directions: add all ingredients except the honey to a saucepan. Heat over medium heat, stirring constantly until all ingredients are well mixed. Remove from heat before it reaches a boil. When it has cooled slightly, add the honey to taste, and enjoy this delicious beverage.